I'm about to share to you, it really trends. It's been a busy Saturday. Probably you know that we had a meeting today. There was a great workshop which was hosted by Nkosiami ezinohlonze news, ezinohlonze MK newspaper. And then I had a great, wonderful meeting which is gonna bring breaking news amangalisayo with MK National Governance Office. Yeah, MK National Governance Office, of which I was running in concurrency with that workshop. So ke kube nomhlangano omkhulu kulawa afisa ukwazi into lena. As MK members you need uyabona nje ukuthi ngisekhona. I'm so excited. I don't know where to start. First of all, I'd like to thank each and every MPL members who attended. Wow! Lokho nizobona kwezinohlonze. I will post one of the pictures or two esiwathathe uma kuphela lapha. The journalists were there. They came in numbers. Sibonge Dokotela SS Mkhize. Dokotela SS Mkhize. Nkosiyami Sibusiso Sabangcwele, the founder, and myself as the co-founder with Zinohlonze newspaper, MK newspaper. Join our channels, join our WhatsApp group, join our Facebook pages, be part of it. We are looking for distributors, we are looking for marketers, we are looking for admins, we are hiring guys. Siyaqasha umuzazi ukuthi kukhona ingxenye ongayithatha noma indima ongayidlala ku MK kwezinohlonze MK newspaper. Be part of it, guys. It's going, and right now it's getting printed in 3 languages, and we want to cover all 9 provinces. Right now we are in 4 provinces, and we want to cover 9 provinces, and we want to cover all 11 official languages. This is huge, and I'm so great to be part of the executive team. We are born ukuthi nje ngi-excited, ngi-energetic, nginamandla amangalisayo, ngikhulumisa okwentatheli, ngikhulumisa namhlanje ngikhulumisa okumsakazi. Siyabonga kakhulu bafowethu. It was a wonderful workshop. Siyabonga kakhulu the opportunity. There's gonna be more of those workshops, and soon you're gonna see my own column on that one. There's gonna be on column. But ke okuningi nizokubona kulona iphepha. I don't want to spoil it. I don't want to give a spoiler. But into engenza ngibe excited, I want you to listen very carefully what I'm about to say. Ngicela ukulalelisise kahle lokho engizokusho okuqhamuka ku National Governance Office, your MK survey. It's called MK National Governance Office survey. This is huge. One sibonile iphumile manifesto, and this is part of the manifesto. This is the breaking news. Part of the manifesto, your MK, and you need to be part of it. MK Governance Survey National. They are looking for volunteers or MK in all 9 provinces, in all sectors of MK, where they are dealing with the governance issues. Everything that the governance is promoting, especially patene nokungabibikho kwamathuba omsebenzi. We are looking for volunteers. Kuwona wonke ama-department ka-government. It might be education, it might be transport, it might be administration, it might be municipality. Yonke into ongayicabanga ngaba i-health, kungaba tourism, kungaba yonke into. We are looking for those people who are saying sihlele emakhaya, si-qualified, sineziqu zethu, imisebenzi ayikho, aswathola amathuba, singothisha, singodokotela, singonesi, singama-security, singamaphoyisa, whatever ongacabanga, we want you to be part of MK volunteers. What is so important about this voluntarily survey, national survey, ephethwe one of our great minds, intokazi yakwaCibane. Ngitshelileke ngathi lana kwaCibane ngazi ukuthi kunenkinga ngoba nolaphana kwi-youth league ucibane umfowabo ngazi ukuthi ucibane kuzalwa ama-great minds laphana kocibane. And I will share a video at the end of this kade ngihleli nabe office lapha kumina la kade kune workshop khona, so I was running ama-meetings after meetings. Now very important, iphumile i-constitution, mhlambe ngingakafiki kwi-constitution, ngingakafiki kuma-meetings namhlanje. We take note ekurizaneni kuka-Judge Hlophe. Abantu they want to know ukuthi kwenzakalani njobe erizane kwi-JSE ephumile ohlini lamajaji. Kusho ukuthi kuzoqalwa phansi. Ngibonile ke kufakwa belungu Nkosi yami kuzoba inkinga enkulu ngoba kusho ukuthi izwe lihlehlele emuva, but uMK ukhona, izwe liyaphambili bafowethu. This is spiritual, into yakwamoya. It's one of my lectures namhlanje bengade nginikeza intatheli ukuthi they are becoming part of history making. This is the history making. And njengoba kuningi okukhona nizobe nikuthola kuwona ama-column awo MK nama details. Sibonga ama-speeches aqhamuke kuma like MPL, and one of the great speeches is going to be featured in one of the papers awo nizoyibona, because kuziphoqa ukuthi indathelo ezinye zakho zicela ukuthi ziyacela ukuthi ama-MPLs athathe lezo speech ayifake la. Now I've covered indaba yephepha ezinohlonze newspaper, MK newspaper, in terms ukuthi, and we had a workshop ihambe kahle kakhulu, siyabonga. Kwabangaphumelelanga, we still gonna have another one, so be prepared ukuthi kwelandelayo uba khona. It's gonna be great. And then bese kuba zindaba, you join our channels, you join our Facebook, you join our YouTube, you become part of our what we call like podcast. You become part of the podcast. This is very, very important. Ukuzohlale up to date, and it's not only covering indaba zawo MK, but we cover more than that. Even indaba ezenzeka emphakathini, indaba ezenzeka siyababona abantu bokufika benza ukuthanda kwabo. We will be dealing with all that, including the internal issues and bridging the gap bakithi, ukuhlanganisa izinto ezenzakalayo ku national, nezenzakala ku provincial, ezenzakalayo kuma region, sub region, ezenzakalayo kuma VD, ezenzakalayo kuma ward, and kunana nendawo lapho kwazi ukukhuluma khona izindaba lapho khona uzosazisa khona urekhode okwenzakalayo ebese uba anonymous lapho khona sithi ziphawulile ngendlela othandayo. So I'm covering that. Then ngokuka JSE, which is the judiciary, la kuresign khona uHlophe, it means a lot. And last time ngakhuluma ngomuntu oresignile, ngangakhulumi ngoHlophe, ngangikhuluma ngomuntu ophuma kaGogo ozothola esinye isikhundla esikhulu. Madoda ngeke ngikhulume leyo, kodwa ke kwazini lo resignile abalwa naye lapha kaGogo obese emkantshubovu kweze politiki, kunesikhundla sakhe esikhulu esizayo, and kade kunama meeting namhlanje ngisho eGoli. Ngiyazi ukuthi basalwa basafuna hlale kaGogo yalwa, but ushilo wathi uyahamba, but uyabuya uza ngapha. Ngicela ukungakhuluma izinto eziningi ngoba ngingaze ngiquliswa amacala, ngaze ngiboshwe. Nansi indaba la ikhona, angibuyele kulena ke ka National Governance Survey ephethwe uMacibane. One iendosiwe ubaba uMsholozi. Number 2, ubaba uMsholozi wayithatha wamnikeza umphathi wethu laphayana ku national, utreasurer wethu unikeziwe lolu daba, luhlele eThebeni, lulinda ukuba lilunge la wonke ama-volunteer azokwazi ukuba volunteer ku MK, afakwe emathuba emsebenzi voluntarily kuzo zonke igaba kona wonke ama-sector ka-government. Kade nje ngenza ucingo ne-Department of Education, bekhona ngakhuluma nabaphathi kuthiwa uma uwuthisha sondela uzeduze, uma uyiphoyisa, uma unesi, uma udokotela, uma uyi-security, uma usebenza kamasipala, whatever skills ona, uma ummeli, uma uyi-lawyer, whatever, come close wonke ama-professional. Sisi wami Nonhle, this is for you as ngiyingxenye futhi yama professionals ku MK. So ke usister Nonhle laphayana eJohannesburg angizazi lezi khundle engake nginazo ukuthi kuzokwenziwa kanjani ngazo, sengu national this, national that, national this, national that. Kodwa ke ake sikhulume sibuyele kule ndaba, lalelisisani kahleke. The plan is, as a volunteer of MK, kuzohlelwa zonke inhlelo from the national all the way to the VD. Kuzoba khona ama monitoring abasebenze engadini abalaphana ku agriculture abakwa fishing yebo bafowethu konakele, and then you will be placed lapho voluntarily ngokomsebenzi onawo noma ngokwama skills onawo noma ngento nayo, ebese ku during voluntarily after 6 months you'll be given a certificate, and after 18 months you'll be given another recognition certificate kunama level akhona. But after 18 months usethi ku MK uzobe usuku allocate emsebenzini ofanele. Uma kuukuthi asikutholelanga umsebenzi usu volunteer for 2 years, manje ukuthi kuzobe ukhona nama like stipends in between depending ukuthi kuyebula ufakwa khona, but go after 18 months being a volunteer, your MK in all the departments, in all the qualifications you have, ungawutholanga umsebenzi, then kuzobe usuqala usuhola. We babo uzobe usuqala usuhola, and iholo lakhona lihle ngendlela emangalisayo, and ama stipends akhona aqala laphayana go 800 rand up to 1000 some change a month. But after 18 months sizobe sesikhuluma ukuthi kuphinda usayine enye contract, uthole enye i-ranking as a volunteer with experience. La khona uzobe usuhola khona imali engaphezulu kuka 8,000 rand a month guaranteed uma kukuthi asikutholelanga umsebenzi, regardless ukuthi ukuphi department. And angifuna ukutshela ukuthi imalini, kodwa ngakutshela ukuthi ngeke ibe ngaphansi kwa 8,000, and this has been approved by the national, this has been approved by ubaba umsholozi, this has been approved ngokwe survey. So you need to be part of the survey, you need to be part of the voluntary abalunge wonke njoba kuthiwe kumisiwe zonke structure, because there's going to be new structures asezo appointwa amiswe ngendlela yokusebenza, ukuthi bonke convener, bonke coordinator, bonke abantu abazongena ezikhundleni, they're going to be part of this survey. So into esidingayo sidinga abantu abangaphezulu kuka 150,000 ukuthi babe ingxenye yale survey, babe ingxenye yalama voluntarily. Iminimum umsholozi usinikeza umsebenzi ukuthi sathola abantu aba 150,000 uxhaso lwemali luzophuma ku national. Ngisho treasurer wethu ukulindele lokho, there will be a follow up video yokuthi kwenzakalani, but in all and all kunama plenary khona whereby lolu hlelo luzothulwa ngokusemthethweni. We are looking at beginning of December, beginning of January nationally elizobe runwa unational. But njengoba kade mina ngihleli nabo banginikezile isiqiniseko sokuthi uma lento ngikhuluma into esisemthethweni, into esebenzayo kubantu abangasebenzi, zinikele, sondela, sebenzela umkhonto. Yini into ezovimba u2026, yini into ezovimba u2029. Uma sithi sicabangela abantu, siyiqembu elisebenzela abantu, sikhuluma lento esikhuluma ngayo njengamanje. Kune app ezovela ezonikezwa yona la uzokwazi ukuthi uregister ibhizi, iyaphekwa, ekuphumeni kwayo ikhona enye eyiwelelayo ongaba ingxenye yalo. Nakhona futhi ngizonikeza ama details ukuthi kule eyingxenye eyiwele nalena yawo MK direct enzokwazi ukuthi ngene khona. Into esidingayo khona kuzoba nama donation fee amancane ngohlobo olumangalisayo, ebese kuphinda futhi ukuthi nabantu abafisa ukufaka imali ukunezela babe nelungelo lokuba benze njalo. These are the breaking news, guys. A national MK survey governance team ephethwe uMacibane nethimba lakhe bengihlangene nabo bonke, bekhona usihlalo, khona uSG, kukhona Nkosi yami treasurer, kukhona organizer wayo, kukhona. It was a very fruitful and very successful, and I want to tell you guys, this is something huge. MK is moving to another level. I'm taking long because kubalekele ukuthi uyizwe uyilalele, thatheni le message inise kwabanye, sithinteni kukhona iFacebook page yakhona which is MK Governance Survey, okumele uyivakashele uyijoyine uthole yonke imininingwane, kukhona WhatsApp group, kukhona yonke into. Nami uqobo ngicabanga ukuthi ningakwazi ukuthi ningithinte kulokho, ngoba nakhona sengithe ngafika ukhona uma sihlengene sixoxa kwaba nokuthi angiphinde futhi ngingene nakhona ngathola esinye isigqoko futhi sika national ku governance ke, phezulu kokuthi am national spokesperson wamakhosi, national spokesperson wabalaphi bendabuko nabanye ngokunjalo, ngaphinde futhi ngibe lapha yana ku civic organization nakhona ku national PCC nalapha na ku women's league ngiyalekelela kakhulu ku national level, ngiphinde nangapha kwi-desk kwi-like workers desk esibonile ku-RAF2 wenza umsebenzi omuhle, nakhona futhi ngikhona nalapha yana futhi yeba fethu ku-national kwi-data capturing and kwi-data center, kwi-data capturing and research center ku-national ngikhona. Angisazi sengimele ningibize ngodokotela, phinde futhi ngibe nala ku TikTok ngibe umuntu oletha indaba eziphambili nezinohlonze, phinde nakulapha ephepheni nakhona ngiyi-executive member. Angiyazi lento, niyabona ukuthi why ningidinga. Take this message, spread it around, let people know that MK governance, people are gonna be offering on a basis of voluntarily. There will be job opportunities, people are gonna get paid, and the money is good, it's going up to 8,000 rand. I'm speaking English so that everyone, even those who don't understand what I'm saying, they could know, and they will be getting up to 8,000 rand. Come with your qualifications, come with your skills, come with your own experience, be part of these guys. And I'm posting this. I need 150,000 people. Nsholozi need 150,000 volunteers throughout all the sectors of the government. We are preparing all the sectors of the government to have space for you to work as a volunteer of MK, of which at the end, in some instances, there will be stipends from that department, and in some instances there will be stipends which will be coming from MK, and we will try to allocate and find you the job. And if we can't find you the job, then MK is going to pay you a salary of 8,000 rand plus. And mind you, 8,000 is not a small money. That is why this one needs to go viral. Contact me, find out what's going on, visit the National Governance Survey Facebook page where you get all the information. The app is coming, join the app. If the app is there, we've got a secondary app that I'm going to be telling you about, but there will be a national launch of this towards December, first week, second week of December, or in January. But for now, we need you to prepare yourself to come as a volunteer. Sorry for taking for so long, but these were breaking news. I hope that you love them. I hope that you enjoy them. I love you. Take care. Kwaza mkonto kwaza. Chigijela mkonto chigijela. Pata ngamalala pata. It's nice to be here, guys, and to see the changes. And I'm part of history making. And I thank God for such great opportunity. And obviously to be part of such a great political party with the great minds. Gababu Msholozi Umdala. Siyabonga kakhulu. God bless you. Aikale.